Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share a spreadsheet in the Google Sheets app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Google Sheets app. And here it opens up like this. From here we just have to select the spreadsheet that we want to work on. And then in the top right corner, we have to tap on the three dots, and then tap on share and export, and then tap on share. Here we can just type in the name of the people or their email addresses that we want to share this document with, and then we can set their access, how they can access the document, and then we just tap on send, and it's going to be sent and they are going to have access to this document. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.